Hi everyone, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Silani Rizkyanti and this is my friend. Her name is Anissa Firdaus Suryana. We are from group 6. We will explain what is fine correct, types, and also examples. First thing first, what is fine correct? Fine correct means correcting mistakes in a sentence. Fine correct can help students improve their language writing skill. Fine correct also aims to make it easier for someone to read a sentence. There are 3 categories of words that can confuse and make it difficult for someone to spell. There are 3 categories of words that can confuse and make it difficult for someone to spell. The first one, words that are often confused, such as was and whose, chose and chose, or altogether and altogether. Second, words that illustrate basic spelling rules, such as reservoir or skies. Third, words taken from various lists of spelling demons. Examples of these words are tomorrow, 8 and 9th.
Position of capital letters. The first capital letters are usually used as the first letters at the beginning of a sentence. For example, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was the author of the famous Sherlock Holmes stories. The second capital letters are used as the first letters of a person name, including someone's nickname. For example, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. The third capital letters are also not used as the first letter of a person name, which is used as a type name or as a unit of measurement. For example, 50 watt. The four capital letters are also used in people's names of legal theories and formula. Five capital letters are used for the first letters, such as in the names of years, months, day, and major holiday or holiday, for example, April Fool's Day. 6. Capital letters are used as the first letters of words indicating kinship, relationship, such as father, mother, brother, sister, and others. Dan ini sentence-nya. Contohnya adalah two boys, Ali Wambari and Jacob Peras, were both sophomores at Hanging Moss High School. The two high school students were out of a Saturday drive in their food truck one day in Augustus. They drove west from their hometown of Nanton some distance into a remote section of the west. They stopped in the small town of a mountain view to get something to eat at the town only cafe, the Greasy Bucket Inn. About that time, Ali noticed that his time watch had stopped. He decided to ask a man longing in the front of the cafe what time it was. I wonder if you could please tell me the time, sir? Ali asked. Just then, the bells of the Norby First Methodist church began to ring. Well, the church bell say it's 12, answered the man, whose slow manner indicated he might not have made it past second grade. Oh, really? Replied the boy. I'm so hungry. I thought it must be much more than that. Well, son, I don't have a lot of education. I never studied history, English, or algebra, and I don't know much about those big cities like Big Timber, but around here it just goes up to 12 and then start all over again. Ini kalimat yang benarnya yaitu two boys T-nya jadi besar, Ali O, O-nya juga besar, Mary and Jacob, Peras, R-nya besar, were both sophomores at Hanging Moss High School. Jadi yang di garis bawah itu adalah yang sudah dibenarkan. The two high school students were out of a Saturday drive in their Ford truck one day in August. They drove west from their hometown of Nanton, nya besar, some distance, jadi kalimat yang punya distance, into a remote section of the west. They stopped in the small town of Mountain View to get something to eat at the town-only cafe. The Gracie looked in. About that time, Ali noticed that his time watch had stopped. He decided to ask a man longing in front of the cafe what time it was. I wonder if you could please tell me the time, sir, Ali asked. Just then, the bells of the nearby first Methodist crunch began to ring. Well, the crunch bell say it's 12, answered the man whose slow manner indicated he might not have made it past second grade. Oh, really? Replied the boy. I'm so hungry. I took it must be much more than. Well, so I don't have a lot of education and never studied history, English, or algebra, and I don't know much about those big cities like Big Timber, but around here it just goes up to 12 and then start all over again.
This is second example. A man was running for senator from a populous eastern state since he was relatively unknown outside his own country. His campaign required that he and his wife travel north, south, east, and west to every corner of the state. One evening in September, the candidate's wife collapsed into a chair in the Chilton Hotel, where they were staying. She kicked off her expensive shoes and said, "What a day! I don't think I've ever been this tired." "Well, I don't know why you should be tired," complained the husband. "What about me? I had to make 7 different speeches today. First, I tried to convince the steel workers union that I was on their side and not with the steel company executive. Next, I gave a rousing speech to the steel company executive board, citing my longtime support of management. I spoke to a group of unemployed workers, outlining my early life of properly. Then I spoke at the Riverside Country Club, emphasizing my aristocratic lineage, which my mother has traced back to 16th century England. Finally, I spoke at the Friends at the Library Club, where I recited this poem, The Church of the Light Brigade. After that, there were speeches at a college and a law school. So why should you be tired? You didn't have to do any of that. No, dear, I didn't, agreed his long-suffering wife. But remember, I had to listen to you. Oke, di sini ada contoh yang pertama, yaitu terdapat huruf A kecil yang diganti menjadi A besar. A man was running. A-nya diganti menjadi A besar karena sebelumnya A kecil. Karena di sini terdapat di awal kalimat, jadi harus menggunakan A besar. Selanjutnya yang kedua ada since. Since he was relatively. Since di sini harus menggunakan huruf besar S-nya karena setelah titik harus menggunakan kapital. Selanjutnya pada paragraf kedua terdapat one evening. O di sini diganti menjadi O besar karena terdapat di awal kalimat. Lalu ada September, bulan September diganti juga menjadi S besar pada awal kalimat karena itu adalah bulan yang harus diawali oleh huruf besar. Selanjutnya ada Chilton Hotel. Chilton Hotel di situ menggunakan huruf kapital awalnya karena itu adalah menjelaskan nama tempat. Selanjutnya ada she kicked. Pada awal kalimat she menggunakan huruf besar karena terdapat titik sebelum huruf tersebut. Lalu di sini juga expensive shoes and said. Di sini diganti menjadi said karena sebelumnya adalah said. Tulisannya said, jadi diganti ke yang benar adalah said. Selanjutnya kita lompat ke kalimat steel workers. Penulisan yang benar adalah seperti ini. STEEL workers, WORKERS, bukan steel workers, dan tidak dipisah. Selanjutnya ada Riverside Country Club, juga menggunakan huruf kapital pada awal kalimat karena itu adalah nama tempat. Selanjutnya ada kata college yang diubah menjadi college, itu karena yang sebelumnya kalimat yang salah diganti menjadi college, kalimat yang benar. Selanjutnya ada kata no pada awal kalimat diganti menjadi huruf kapital karena setelah tanda petik harus huruf kapital. Okay guys, maybe that's all that can be explained from me and Anissa. I hope you understand. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.